everybody, and welcome back to Storytime. I'm Miss Megan, and behind the camera today is Miss Stephanie. We're really excited to be back doing videos for you guys and seeing you in person on Tuesdays at 10:30. So this week's theme was back to school, and we talked about the different ways that kids are going back to school this year, like in person, homeschooling, or virtual schooling. But no matter what type of school you do, one thing that most kids learn to recognize is a school bus, like this one here. So this week, we're gonna make our own cute little paper plate school bus for you guys. In your packet, you will find a white semicircle and a yellow semicircle. You'll find a single long black strip, 2 large circles, 2 small circles, 2 triangles, and 2 squares. You're also going to need glue, and today we're just going to use basic school glue. You can try using a glue stick as well if that's what you have. You're just going to have to put a lot of glue on there. So we're going to start with our white semicircle. As you can see with this one, I've got it so that the curve goes inward, but today we're going to try doing it so that the curve comes outward. And you're going to take your yellow semicircle and you're going to get it nice and gluey. And if you need an adult to help you with this step, that's okay. Always ask for help if you need it. Sometimes I need help. Okay, and then we're going to glue our yellow to our white to make our nice school bus background. So next you're going to take your long black strip, this one right here, and you're going to put glue on that as well. And it will go close to the bottom, but not super close. So it's going to have a little bit of a gap, about like so. So you can use either of the circles for your wheels, but I pulled the large ones to make the wheels stand out from any of your other little decorations, and because school bus wheels are big. And you're going to take your glue and you're going to put it on the top of your circles, but just the top because they're going to hang over the edge a little bit, and we don't want to get glue all over the table on the back. And we'll do them 1 and 2, like that. Now our school bus has wheels. It's ready to drive off, right? But wait, we can't see. There are no windows. So your other shapes are for you to make your own windows. And this is the super fun part because you get to decide what shapes you want to do. With this one, I chose to do a circle, a triangle, and a square to show you all 3 shapes. But I think we're going to do it a little different today. I'm going to start with a square and some glue. And I think we'll do a square first at the front so the driver can see out. And then I think I want to do a triangle because triangles are fun. And you can do your triangles going in any direction that you want. So I did mine funky because I'm a little funky. And you know what? I think that I want to do one of the little circles after all, so we'll do that now. And you guys can do these in any combination you want. You can do as many of them or as few of them as you want. There are no wrong answers. I'm going to do a circle, and then I'm going to do the last square too, because I like shapes and windows. And there we go. We've got a fun little school bus. I hope you guys all had fun doing it, because I know I did. So it's story time. We learned about going to school and the different types of school that kids are attending right now. We read Choose First Day of School by Neil Gaiman and Froggy Goes to School by Jack London, and you can find those and plenty of other books on school here at the Tyrrell County Public Library. We hope you come see us and join us for our next story time on Tuesday, October 13th at 10:30 a.m. behind the library. Hope to see you there. Bye, guys.